Thinking about selling your home? We are 72 Sold, and in this short video, you'll learn about our innovative, game-changing home selling program. Something different from anything you've seen before. A program that has already enabled thousands of home sellers in multiple cities to average 8.4 to 12% higher sale prices than other homes sold in their areas. This was verified by 5 independent studies over the last 3 years. Our home selling program is so effective, we've been showcased on ABC, NBC, and CBS affiliated news shows, received the 2022 Innovator of the Year award for making the biggest positive difference in our industry, and we're among the top 300 fastest growing companies in America, according to Inc. 5000. So, how are we able to sell your home for so much more? First, we developed a new form of marketing that leverages online technology to identify the best potential buyers for any home in America in just 72 hours. This is a real estate breakthrough. You no longer have to wait weeks or months to know who the best buyers are for your home. With 72 Sold, we can show you in just 72 hours. Now, identifying the best buyers for your home quickly enables us to create a competitive environment and validate your home's desirability. These are critical to setting the stage for buyers to make higher offers. Also, identifying buyers quickly keeps your home from getting a black eye on the market by sitting unsold for weeks and months, causing buyers to presume it's overpriced. We don't even need to put a for sale sign in your yard, which makes the process more private for you and helps us sell your home for more because it further reinforces that your home is new and fresh on the market and hasn't been rejected by lots of previous buyers. Another of our breakthroughs is that we can usually tell you exactly how much more buyers will pay you over their first offer. That way you don't leave a nickel on the table. Traditional real estate is about hope. You hope buyers inquire, hope they're interested, hope they make offers, and hope their offers are fair. With 72 Sold, you don't hope, you know you're seeing the top of the market for your home and seeing it quickly and conveniently. How quickly? 8 days. That's right, just 8 days. With 72 Sold, you see the highest offers from the best buyers in the market for your home in just 8 days from beginning to end. At 72 Sold, we reinvented the way homes are sold to benefit you. 5 independent studies have repeatedly verified that sellers who use our program average significantly higher prices, walking away with thousands more for their home. Let that be you. Give us a try. You have nothing to lose. See the highest offers from your home's best buyers in just 8 days, only with 72 Sold.